welcome to another CanLII tutorial on Litigation Help. My name is Hui-Litwin, and today I'm going to show you how to search using keyword phrases. So for example, let's say you want to find some case law on child support guidelines. How would you do that? Let's go. Okay, so here we are on CanLII's homepage. So if you want to do a search for case law on child support guidelines, you need to put the whole phrase within quotation marks like this. Child support guidelines. And you just press enter. And if you look at the, go to the tabs, go to the case law tab column, and you do a quick scroll down your results, you'll notice that yes, indeed, the results are coming up do have the phrase child support guidelines in them. So I want to point out here that sometimes it could be very tempting to use brackets instead of quotation marks. But what happens if you use brackets on CanLII? So let's take a look. So here's child support guidelines in brackets. Let's do the same search again. And you notice that right away, you're going to get like 3 times more in terms of the number of hits. And if you start scrolling down the list of results, you'll notice that CanLII is looking for not just child support guidelines, the phrase. It's also returning child support or child or support on its own, or the word child on its own. And so that's the reason why you're getting a lot more results. So it's not just looking for child support guidelines, it's actually looking for results that have the individual words. You want to be specifically looking for cases on child support guidelines, you should use quotation marks. I also want to point out a handy tip here. So if you take your mouse and you go to the right and you hover over the question mark, there's going to be a little pop-up that CanLII provides, and it's a little bit like a cheat sheet. So you can see here in this cheat sheet, it actually tells you that the quotation marks is used to indicate a group of words that would form a phrase. Okay, so I hope that was helpful, and hope to see you next time. Thanks. Bye.